So this morning we are at Emory Creek Ranch. We're standing in front of 391 Highpoints Ridge. This is a beautiful new construction home, and I'm standing here with Dean Holmes, the man who built it. Now, he was the superintendent for this construction project, and he works for lifestyle contractors. So Dean, tell us a little bit about yourself. How long have you been in the construction industry?
I've been in the construction industry for about 25 years. Done everything from framing, electrical, you name it, top to bottom. I've been involved with it one way or another.
Yeah, so you've seen it all.
Yep.
Worked on all kinds of projects, and I'm sure that much experience in this industry, you've worked with all kinds of people and teams and crews. So now you're with lifestyle contractors. How long have you been with them?
Since about April of last year, April 1st of last year.
Okay, awesome. Having all that experience, coming on with lifestyle contractors, what would you say is your favorite thing about lifestyle contractors?
Lifestyle Contractors is just a great company to work for and with.
Yeah.
They're very transparent, very honest, very open. What you see is what you get.
And that's hard to find these days.
Yes, it is.
So very much appreciated. Now, we've spoken to a lot of people from lifestyle contractors, and I'm seeing this recurring theme. And it's like every superintendent I talk to, just like yourself, has made a lifelong career out of this industry.
Yeah.
So now I'm curious, with the team that you guys have assembled at Lifestyle Contractors, what would you say the combined experience is between you all?
Oh, you've got well over 100 years worth of experience and knowledge in Lifestyle Contractors.
So you've got a team that knows exactly what they're doing.
Yep.
That being said, let's move on to this house.
Okay.
This house is awesome. Tell me a little bit more about it. First of all, how many beds, bathrooms, and square feet are we looking at right here?
You're looking at a 1,677 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home.
So fantastic starter home.
Oh yeah.
Great. And so how long did it take you to build this home, start to finish?
A little over 4 months. Started in April, ended up just a little after June, yeah.
So in 4 months, you go from bare ground to a beautiful home like this. What is your favorite thing about this home, Dean?
The floor plan.
Really?
Floor plan's a great plan for a starter home.
Yeah, and I noticed like a lot of nice, unique touches in there too, like even some of the light fixtures. Of course, the granite countertops are great. But yeah, the floor plan is pretty cool because you do have an open concept, but then there's still some separation as well between rooms.
Right, and there's some upper end features in this home.
Yes, very much so. And speaking of that, so for anybody interested in a home like this one, or let's say this one specifically, what is the name of this floor plan?
This is a Savannah.
Savannah, okay. So yesterday we were at another project of theirs and we got to check out the Camas Creek, but that was a larger home and for a different application. This is just a fantastic starter home. It's beautiful and it's in an incredible location. For those of you that don't know, Emory Creek Ranch, you're only about 10 to 15 minutes from anything in Branson that you'd want to do. But, and you correct me if I'm wrong, but when you get out here, you're not fighting the traffic, you're not hearing the noise or the lights of the city. There's no pollution up there. I mean, at night, you come home, you look up, and you can actually see a sky full of stars. Am I wrong?
No, you can absolutely enjoy a rural setting with the deers and the turkey all over the place.
Amen. So, for those of you that are looking to buy or build your next home, I would highly encourage you need to have a conversation with Lifestyle Contractors. They have a team of experienced and effective professionals, just like Dean Holmes here. And Dean, thank you for your time.
Thanks, Dean.